You just bought a brand new laptop, but you do not understand the invisible threat waiting on the internet. You are going to get hacked fast. Today we are teaching the boring tech jargon. Whether you are an absolute beginner or a cybersecurity pro, we are going to visually break down exactly the internet most dangerous malware actually work, so you do not become the next victim. First up, the classic virus. Here is the secret about a virus. It cannot spread on its own. It completely powerless until you do the work for it. It hides inside a normal looking file, waiting for a human to double click. But the second you click it, it wake up, multiply and destroy your system from the inside out. But what if you never click anything? The worm. This one is terrifying because it does not need human interaction. It is spread entirely by itself. It hunts down weak spot in your operating system, slice through your Wi-Fi network and automatically infect every other devices in your house before you even know it is there. Next up is the master of disguise, the Trojan. A Trojan does not break into your computer. You invite it. You think you are downloading a free movie or cracked software, but hidden inside it is a trap. Unlike a virus, a Trojan does not copy or spread itself. Once you open the gift, it quietly steals your data, spy on you, or open a backdoor so hacker can take control of your device. But what happens when the hacker does not just want to spy on you? A ransomware. Here is the twist. A ransomware does not delete your file or fry your hardware. It simply locks everything up tight. It scrambles your file, making them completely unreadable. Then a giant note drops into your screen, demanding you to pay ransomware, usually in cryptocurrency, in exchange for a key to unlock your digital life. While ransomware kicks down the front gate, spyware slips through the cracks. It does not want to break your system. Its only goal is stealth. It sits completely silent in the background, recording your keystroke and watching your screen to steal your most personal data and password without you even knowing it is there. Next is Adware, often sneaking in as a potential unwanted program. It does not want to steal your identity. It wants to annoy you into making the hacker money. It secretly monitors your search history to track your habits, redirect your web searches and aggressively spam your screen with a targeted ad. It can even show pop-ups entirely outside your web browser, popping up everywhere on your phone or a desktop. But what if the malware does not use a file at all? A fileless malware, the ultimate ghost. Instead of saving a file to your hardware, your hard drive or SSD, this malware are entirely in your computer RAM. Because there is no actual file, traditional antivirus scanner look right past it. When you turn your computer off, the ghost vanishes. But be aware, advanced hacker will hide a sneaky hook inside your system registry keys, pulling the ghost right back the next time you boot up. What if the hacker does not want to break your computer, but want to build an army? The botnet. When you click a bad link or have a weak security, your computer get infected and turn into mind-controlling zombie. It secretly connects to a hidden command and control server, waiting for the hacker's signal. When the hacker gives the silent command, your device along with millions of other attacks a specific target all at once. They flood a website with so much traffic that a real user cannot access it. A DDoS attack, but that's not all. Hackers will also use your zombie computers to secretly mine digital cryptocurrency in the background or steal your banking detail while you are not looking. If you thought ransomware was bad, let me introduce you to its pure evil twins, the Viper. A Viper will often disguise it is as ransomware to trick you, but it is a lie. It does not want your money, it wants pure destruction. Instead of looking your files, a Viper violently fills your files with absolute trash data, making them permanently unreadable. It does not stop there. A Viper will attack the very start part of your hard drive, the boot sector. It destroys the exact file your computer needs just to wake up. Once it is done, your save files are gone and your machine would not even turn on. It is the ultimate digital bomb. If you think those monsters are just theory, let me tell you a true story. In May 2017, the world experienced one of the worst cyber attacks in history. WannaCry. This attack was a terrifying hybrid. It used a worm to spread automatically across the internet without a human clicking anything, and it dropped a ransomware payload on over 200,000 computers across 150 countries. It did not just hit home computers, it locked down the entire UK National Health Service. Doctors could not access patients' files, surgeries are cancelled, and ambulance has to be diverted. The hackers demand $300 in Bitcoin to unlock the files. It caused billions in damage and proved that those digital monsters have terrifying real-world consequences. Finally, we have the deepest threat of all, the rootkit. A rootkit does not just sit on your hard drive, it modifies standard system tool to bury itself deep into the very core of your operating system. Because it controls the foundation, it can straight up lie to an antivirus. The most advanced rootkit can even hide inside your computer hardware chips. It means even if your computer wipe your hard drive and reinstall your OS, the monsters survive. So how do you defeat this digital army? It comes down to 3 rules. 1. Update all your apps and your system to latest version to patch the hole they use to sneak in. 2. Never click on untrusted or suspicious link. And 3. Stop downloading app, cracked software or movie from unknown sources. That is exactly how you invite them inside. Before you go, I want to know which of the digital monsters terrify you the most. Drop your answer in the comment below.